So this is how AI built me a successful business in just 24 hours. The first thing I did was go into ChatGPT and give it this specific prompt, basically asking what is one repetitive task that people do that they would appreciate one-click solutions for. It gave me a bunch of ideas, but the one I resonated with the most was a website that gives you date ideas. Being in a relationship, it's hard to find new and exciting things to do and get recommended places to do these things in the city. I shared this in WhatsApp and Facebook groups, and I got 4 responses in just a few hours. Out of these 4 responses, I was really lucky that one person was ready to immediately jump on a call. He basically talked about how him and his wife find it hard to get new creative data ideas, and it's hard for them to even stay reminded of what's happening in the city. So I took that problem, created a product requirement document, grabbed that document and put it in Bolt and Lovable. I really liked the website that Lovable gave me, and then I shared the MVP with this user. He absolutely loved it, and he said that this is a solution that he would pay for. We kept on talking, and then he said if he can get a service that reminds him, whether through text or email, is something that he will be a paid subscriber of. He didn't just say this, he actually became my first paid user. He paid for the MVP where you would leave your phone number or your email and get text or emails reminding you of cool date ideas you could do in the city. Not only that, I asked ChatGPT how else could I monetize it and gave the brilliant idea of affiliate marketing. So 24 hours before this, I had no business idea. I just wanted to build some sort of SaaS, and within a few prompts, I made some money online, and AI actually gave me a profitable business. I'm running a community for people that want to build with AI. We talk about everything about the problems from building to distribution. Join the community in the link below.